Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, Bharat. Ramesh.
Yeah. Good morning, Ramesh. Thank you. Thank you for coming. I think yet too, there is only one person is supposed expected to come, Mr. Veera Raghavan. I think all of them have come. So we'll start the session. Okay. I think
Yeah,
Bharat,
yesterday.
good morning.
yeah,
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Anandan. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning.
Right. Okay. Let me start today's session. So, what exactly yesterday, which we have been talking about, right? So, just share my screen. Let me go to Google. Okay, right. So, um, we were talking about this so-called understanding what exactly people, others are actually searching on online. Like what is your target? Where is your target market? So the ultimate question is normally. I always had this challenge. I'll tell you that. Most of the companies, what they do, the mistake they do is actually they take up one whatever XYZ product, assuming that that is going to have a market. In fact, I have been because I started my career as an engineer working for a startup. I've seen those people what normally they do, like they want to develop a product, and then what they do is they actually develop this. If you go and ask them, even I had a startup. I had a startup company called TechieLearn way back 2005, 2006. What even we were doing was like 1 year down the line. If you ask like 6 months down the line, you ask what are you doing? He said developing a product. 1 year down the line, you ask them, we're developing a product. And 1.5 years, then they ask you, I'm developing a product. Then what is that you are doing? I'm developing a product. And what do you have any clients? You say no, not really. We are just figuring out what to do. This has been the case many times. And recently, I have been to NASCOM. Particularly tech startups, all of them are like that. And if you go to NASCOM and ask them, what are you doing? They will say that we are all developing products. And if you ask them where is the market, have you ever figured it out? Yes, sir, one or two are actually bought, or something. Some of them, most of them, I would say, not even one or two are bought actually. So that is because everybody is product focused. When you start a market as a marketer, it is more important that don't think about the product. Always think about the market. That is one is like you have to understand who is my target market. Who is my target market? What are they doing actually? So one of the easiest way to find where there is market potential, like if you want to see whether there is market potential, why we are doing this exercise is because we want to actually see whether there is market potential. And what we are supposed to do is we are going to support, particularly online, if you want to know, if you want to increase your presence online, and if you want to reach out to them, then you have to really go and search online and see whether there is enough market. The one way I told you that you can actually use something called your Google Trends. Yeah, I think yesterday some of them had some challenges also. I think even Anandan was keep calling me almost 2-3 times, and then he wanted to actually make sure he want to clear those doubts. I will clear those doubts today. So if you go to Google Trends, so here as I told you, you can actually search and find what is the trending thing at this point of time. Let's say, for example, United States. All I have to do is on the right side, I can just click and then select India. Okay, I'll go to India. So today, because Google has every information, you don't need to go elsewhere. So you can just Google itself is enough. Google gives you the right information. So this is actually a trend. This is actually nothing to do understand what is the trend online. So let me search, like for example, yesterday we were searching different topics. Mr. Anandan was talking about nebulizer. So we were we are using this term called nebulizer. This is one of his product, I guess so.
Yeah, correct.
In the healthcare domain. So this is you want to see what is the trend, search trend when it comes to nebulizer. So this is the graph which actually shows you what is the search trend when it comes to nebulizer. Just take it here, or I'll minimize this. Yeah, take it here. Yeah. So this is the search. This is the search trend. If you really see, slowly the graph has been going from 2019 onwards. September, from June, and it just reached September. It has reached this level. Then after that, it has reached the peak, probably December 2019. And after that, February, then there is a peak, another February. Then after that, if you see from March 2020, it is in decline. I think maybe because of probably Corona period, I don't know. Maybe the search is not that great, but I want to have some important details. See, for example, this is like the region wise, there is a information, right? If you see amount of search maximum happening is from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 100 is actually just a score. That's it. Okay. This is a score which is given by Google. That's all. It is not like 100 people or 100 visitors or whatever. Like, it is just a score. If you click on this, it will just show you that values are calculated as a score from 100 to 0 to 100. Are you able to see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we can able to see.
Anandan, you are able to see?
Yeah, I could.
Yeah. Okay. So where 100, the most popularity. Okay, this is the one. So this is just a value. That's all. So next to Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Mizoram, then Telangana, Delhi, Karnataka. If you go down, you will see that Tamil Nadu comes on the 13th place actually. This is one information. If I want to download this information, detailed information, here you have a, kind of, small
Download symbol.
download symbol. Yeah, you can actually just click on this and then download the CSV file. So it says save file. Okay, I can actually go and save this. All right. So this is a geomap.csv. That's a thing. So I can just on it. It gets saved. So it will get saved in my download folder. So if I want to probably open that, I can open it. Let me go to my folder. Downloads. I think I have this geomap, I guess so. So I'm using a completely a different kind of a system. It is not your Windows operating system at all. So mine is actually a Linux system, right? So you see this category, this one. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Should I increase the probably size possible? Now you're able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Others?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So nebulizer, if you see, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 100. Telangana, next is Telangana, next is Pondicherry, next is Delhi, next is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Jammu and Kashmir, then Kerala, Mizoram, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, then Tamil Nadu. This is information. So I can understand what is happening. Now, for example, if suppose tomorrow the sales numbers, Mr. Anandan is a RSM working for his company, tomorrow there is a sales number which comes, he definitely will know that sales in Pondicherry might be more probably because there are a lot number of people are searching. Maybe he can give a proof saying that yes, more number of people are searching for this product in Pondicherry than in Tamil Nadu. So these are things which you need to have.
Bharat,
Yes.
I think,
కూర్చో గాలి వచ్చింది.
sorry to
Ah.
interrupt you. Suppose if I know that now the data says that Puducherry,
I'll
I think
close this.
before is
Not
69.
கொஞ்சம் உங்க வால்யூம் ரொம்ப டவுனா இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் வால்யூம் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணனும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். You have to increase your volume.
Hello, can you able to hear me
Yeah.
now?
Yes, correct.
Hello,
correct.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
No,
able to hear
no.
you.
See, the score is the score is 69 in Puducherry. Okay.
Hmm.
So, hello.
Yeah.
So to go for a deeper penetration in the Puducherry market, in what type of advertisement I give it in Facebook or in Google
Now,
Ads?
those are the things we will come later. At this point of time, we
Okay.
are only looking out for the TG, target group. How to identify your target group?
Okay.
What is your target group doing? What is
Okay.
that? That is the first discipline you have to have. First, it's not just putting an ad.
Okay.
So if you have to put an ad, see, why do you think there is a separate marketing department which actually works on months together to actually put an ad?
Yes, understood.
Are you stupid enough to pay them so much of money as salaries for all those marketing guys? And you also have a what is this there is a ad agency which is also attached to it, where the ad agency charges you a bomb, so much of money. Why do you do it? Because simple reason is that task is not an easy task. Like, it's not just putting an ad.
Yes.
Putting an ad doesn't mean just immediately put an ad and then put it and immediately result comes. No, not really.
Not really. Okay.
It is not. So that is like, before you put an ad, before you do the communication, ad is just a form of communication. You would understand that.
Okay.
Ad is just a form of communication. But before I do that, I have to first understand my market.
Okay.
Before even I put my advertisement, I have to understand my market. So that is why we are actually doing these things. Like here, for example, topics here, for example, related topics are there. Here also I can actually see what are the related topics. Here there are queries are there. What are the queries that normally people do? For example, we have already seen it yesterday, I guess. Just download the CSV file. Just save. Okay. I'm just saving it. So this is the query, let's say. Just open it. So if you see, these are the things you can understand: nebulizer machine, nebulizer price, nebulizer use, nebulizer medicine. Hello. Yeah. So these are the things, keywords, right? Now, what exactly? How do you think you can ask me, Bharat, sir, how do you think I can use this one? I mean, you see, when you do search engine optimization, SEO, or any form of content marketing that you do online, all these things are keywords.
Okay.
Online, it actually works like keywords only. So I can actually make sure that I can use these keywords as an important keyword information to make sure that I can get traffic. Nebulizer machine, for example, nebulizer profit. For example, even if I have to put an ad in Google, these are the keywords where I would actually focus on putting an ad.
Yes. Okay.
Similarly, even if suppose I'm putting a Facebook ad, even the Facebook ad also here, I would be more targeting the people who would be mostly searching for this kind of information.
Okay.
So I would be mostly thinking about what is the kind of people I'm going to target, one, and what is that I'm going to talk about. What is that I'm actually talk about? That is more important. So these are information which I need to have. So I can just go and have an idea. For example, as I told you, I think yesterday I told Mr. Anand, he just called me and talked to me. I know one of the companies were closely associated. Of course, you know which company you're talking about. There, I narrowed down on the two keywords which was very, very popular. I said that only these two keywords, maximum search is happening. In fact, those two products are the one they have been focusing very much on. Yeah, that is, I think, Mr. Veera Raghavan has come, I guess, after. So those are those, like for example, when the two products, those two products they have been focusing on now.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is very easy now. If suppose more traffic is coming to those products, it means I can actually focus on those products. If that too, if it is a kind of a more retail kind of a product, it is very much easy to promote it online. If it is a B2B product, it is subtle, maybe it is slightly, it's going to be a different strategy altogether. But then I will say that this data gives you, see, data is always for taking decisions. That's it. So whatever be the data, what is the decision we are going to take from that data? So that is the one. So these are the things which you can get it from Google's Google Trends. And another thing is, this is the most important tool, to be frank. Google Trends is just a give overview, that's all. But if you want to have real proper information, you have to actually go to Google Trend, is AdWords. AdWords, how to set up the AdWords? I think I have given you a document. Have anybody done that one? Done that? Setting up the AdWords?
Yes, I have done.
Done? Okay, great.
Yeah, I have done. Yeah, I'm done.
Fantastic.
Thank
So
you.
let me go to my AdWords and just show you what is that we are supposed to do. So I will just sign in. So I'll sign in. Say, let's say, before you put an ad, okay, there is a lot of planning that has to happen.
Okay.
Planning is, for example, let's say marketing, the most critical part in any marketing activity, it is not sales. You understand? Sales is
Yeah,
separate.
understood. Sales is something different.
Yeah, sales is separate. Don't worry about sales. Is marketing and sales are like brothers and sisters. Okay. Okay. So if brothers and sisters have to both together, work together, then the result will come. Yeah, or you can actually call marketing and sales as husband and wife. It's far better, for you.
That's correct. Husband and wife only.
Yeah. So the marketing has to marry sales.
Yeah.
Huh? In order, sales has to marry. Only then the result will come. It will not. Otherwise, result will not come. But very difficult. Mostly, any company, if you go, there will be always a marketing blaming on the sales department. Any
Yes,
company,
correct.
any organization, any kind of form of business, you will say that there will be always one the conflict that you will have. We have the vertical conflict or whatever conflict you call, horizontal conflict, any conflict, is that always sales guy will say blame it on the marketing team, and the marketing guy will say the sales guys have not done their job. So that will be an ongoing battle. It's a part and parcel of the game. So for example, I'll just show you, I'll just tell you, I've been associated with Times Group for last 2 years. So every day, almost weekly, I used to be there at least 4 days or 5 days, based on my calendar, what are the schedules. So I go there, always I know the guys talking on the other end. That is like people who are supposed to enroll people actually. Those are the guys who are working on to enroll, candidates for the programs that we used to have. And normally that is taken care by the operations department or the guy who is so-called the zonal head or the whatever the head. regional head, whatever. And always they say that the delivery team is not that great and they are not really delivering the product that great. Okay. And then there is always a problem that the enrollment is not really happening, that numbers are not, they're not happening. And then from this end, people always say that the enrollment is not happening. The guys on the marketing guys are not doing their job. Sales guys are not doing their job.
Yeah.
Counselors are not doing their job, or like things. So this is kind of a blame game always happens. But it is like how much ever coordination between the sales and marketing you have to happen, that has to happen. Only then it's possible. So what I'll do is, I'm right now in the advert manager. So I click on this one toolbar, this tool kind of icon, no? I click on this, you will
Yeah.
find
Setting.
something called a you will find something called a keyword planner. So just click on the keyword planner. This is the most important, in fact, the free tool which is given by Google.
Your voice
Pardon me?
disconnected, Bharat.
Disconnected. I think probably it should resume again. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I click on this toolbar, this keyword tool. This is the keyword tool. If you see, you said discover new keywords. Here, this is very important thing. Like what you assume is not true. Sometimes you assume that this will work or that will work. In many websites, I have seen the wrong keywords being used. Many websites. You go to many, almost most of the website, wrong keywords being used. Yeah, wrong keywords being used, and most of the websites you see that that they don't know exactly like what exactly people are searching for. So here, for example, discover new keywords. I can click on this. I can actually search terminologies here, right? For example, let us take for example Ramesh sir, what is that you are
Yeah.
right now? What is that market you are actually wanting to tap?
See, can I give an
Work
example?
from home.
Work from
No.
home. Okay. What, madam? Yeah, please tell me, ma'am.
We have one of these products called this walkthrough temperature scanner.
Mm-hmm. What is the temperature scanner?
Walkthrough. You can walk through that. It looks like a stand post. You can walk through. So we have named it as walkthrough temperature scanner. But what is that exactly people are searching for? I don't know. I just want to know
Okay.
what people are searching.
Maybe a digital scanner.
Yeah.
It looks like a post and you have to walk through. It's a scanner, temperature scanner.
Temperature scanner.
Walk through. It's a walkthrough temperature scanner.
Let me just type temperature scanner. Okay. And then just click get results. Okay. Just you have to type on what are the search keyword. So this is only for India. So location is India. Okay. So if you see, these are the keywords which are coming. What I would do is, whatever, if I want to see the details, what I will do is download this keyword idea and then just click on the CSV file. Yeah, it gets downloaded. So just I'm going to open this probably. Okay, open this and see what exactly this keywords is all about, right? So I get these keywords, right?
Temperature scanner.
And since because I am in using this so-called my so-called this what to say my office, which is actually Unix operating system. There is different. It is different in a way. It is totally showing differently. But if you probably download it in your Excel in your Word document, I think it will show you a better, decent probably. Okay, right. So let's see this. I think this is temperature scanner. I think let me close this again. Open it. Yeah. Right, command tab. Okay. Yeah, now it is coming. Okay. Hey, what is this? Stock trade. Okay. I think I have put a wrong. I think I have opened a wrong thing probably. 1 second. Keyword. 1 second. I'll probably again download it. Download CSV. Downloading report. Yeah. This save. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. I think we will be ending within another 10 minutes. Okay, let me just show you. Possible, we'll try to. No problem. Okay, right. This is the one. See, temperature scanner. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Temperature scanner. It is minimum search is 1,000 to 10,000 search, which is a very high. Temperature scanner almost 10,000 searches happening. Competition is very high. In fact, for this, a lot of ads have been. Ads, I think people are putting. I guess so. This is the bidding amount. Average bidding amount. It's a lower end. It is 5.99. It is 15.9. This has to be INR. Yeah, INR. So the second is Massey Bus. I don't know what is Massey Bus. Massey Bus is a brand, probably. Temperature
It should be
scanner.
a brand.
Is it a brand? Then temp scanner. These are the keywords where people are using actually. So in fact, there is one keyword where 1,000 search is happening, which is like temperature scanner price.
Price.
Now, yeah. Now, when I take these keywords, one advantage what I have is if I can get this keyword, okay, temperature scanner, one advantage I will all normally have is for me to identify my competition. I will say I will identify my competitors and also jot down the competitive strategy. So I think we would be ending our session very soon within another 10 minutes anyway. So what I will tell you is I will give you an exercise today. Right, we'll come back tomorrow. Don't worry. Our journey will be keep going on. Don't worry. Right. So this is where temperature scan. If I go here, are you able to see Amazon.com is searching?
Yes.
Is selling temperature scanner. Then there is India Mart,
Yes.
and then you have another company here, Libratherm, libratherm.co.in. Then What is this? Swastik Automation. So these are people who are Alibaba is selling. So all these people selling. Maybe probably your scanner, which you said must not there here in a way with the keywords. What are keywords? Maybe not much search is happening.
It's a walkthrough temperature scanner. That's
Walk
how
through,
we have
yeah.
named
Walk through, yeah. Maybe the only the word walk through probably people are not searching for. But
Yes.
I think for temperature scanner, it is, of course, there is a lot of searches there. I think there is a market for there is a lot of market for it, no doubt about it. Temperature scanner, yeah. I think these days all doctors are using this, I guess. So after COVID. Yeah. So let me go here. So this is what it is. So I can actually do a competitive research on this. So I would say that I want you to do a competitive research on this. And coming back to probably work at home, I would say anytime that thing our section would end, don't get offended if it get ends. So what I want to give you an exercise today is I want you to go and search on this keyword tool and find these keywords. I want you to find these keywords and go and see who are all, one second, sorry, who are all the competition, who are all the competitors who are there. So I want you to go and find and probably put these competitions, go and find who are all competitors are there. I want you to study your competition and get back tomorrow. So I want you to study your competition and get back tomorrow. And there is a whole lot of competitive strategy which has to be, which we can do it online before even you put an ad. But I'll tell you one thing: competition is not for competition. Hope you understand. It is not for competition. It's just to study the market. So I can go and see. For example, Omega.com is there. I will probably open it and see, and probably look at what is that they offer and what is that we have. So I will probably send you a separate template on how to actually study the competition. So this is the product they are offering, I guess. And work at home, particularly for Ramesh, work at home வந்து ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், ஒரே ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இன்னைக்கு இருக்கு. என்னன்னா ஃபேஸ்புக்ல வந்து work at home வந்து they are not allowing advertisement on Facebook for work at home. One of my ad was
part-time
rejected.
job.
One of
Part-time job. Part-time job.
Part-time job and the job work at home ரெண்டுமே reject பண்ணிடுறான் ad. For my ad was recently after COVID, one of my ad was rejected because it was saying something about work at home. Yeah.
Okay.
Something related to work at home, related to make money online.
Okay.
Related to jobs எல்லாத்தையுமே Facebook வந்து reject பண்ணிடுவான் ad.
Okay.
He is not allowing those ads. That's the only disadvantage. But it doesn't mean that you should not put an ad. You should not use those whatever those keywords probably.
Keywords. Okay.
Particular Facebook. I'm talking about Facebook. Yeah.
That is the words starting with the income and job is not accepted in the Facebook.
Yeah, in the ad, if suppose you say increase your income 10x, work at home, அப்படி போட்டீங்கன்னா உங்க ad வந்து reject ஆயிடும்.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the thing. So that's the thing about work at home. That's a problem.
So we can. Hello.
Yeah. சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, Bharat, we can give this இல்லீங்களா franchisee offer, franchisee opportunity.
Yeah, those things.
Franchisee opportunity.
Yeah.
Okay, franchisee opportunity. Okay.
Those things you can do. Yeah, definitely.
Global franchisee opportunity.
Yeah. Right now, for example, you can actually search these keywords. I want you to do this entire homework and come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Work at home. Work at home, get results.
Franchisee opportunity.
Yeah, work at home. For example, you're not able to get this.
Yeah.
You're not able to get the screen.
Yes.
Is this okay now?
Yes. Yes.
Not
Work
yet.
at
Not
home?
yet.
Yes,
Now
now
it's
it's
okay.
Work at-
It's okay.
Now
Okay.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, work
Okay.
at home. So work at home I searched actually.
Okay.
Download the keywords.
அது ஒரு செஷன், இது ஒரு செஷன். அது 5G டெக்னாலஜியை பத்தி. அப்படிதான். அத நான் கேட்கல, இது முக்கியம், இது கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Yeah, this is about this. Now work at home
Yeah.
is the topmost actually. 10,000 to 1 lakh search is happening. It's a medium competition.
Yeah.
In the Google I'm talking. Google, and you can put an ad. Don't worry about it. You can't put an ad in Facebook, but Google definitely you can put an ad for work at home. Allame. Amazon work from home.
Okay.
Second, jobs from home. 10,000 to 1 lakh search. Yeah, this is happening. This is only India now. Only India.
India.
Yeah. I think maximum search is happening for work from home jobs. Work from home jobs. A huge research actually. Huge search. 1 lakh people, almost more than 1 lakh search is happening.